the defendant, the former governor, was not present in court. Contrary to the undertakings of his lawyers that they will be present, that they will ensure his attendance and appearance in court for arraignment. The court has on its record undertakings made by the different two senior advocates promising to produce him in court. It was as a result of that promise that the state stepped down the issue of his arrest. Now, today in court, they have not produced him, he is not in court. We have now invoked the disciplinary powers of the court because a promise, an undertaking to the court, is akin, a breach of a promise or undertaking to the court is akin to a breach of an injunction. We have now asked the court to proceed against the two senior advocates and have them docked for contemptuous conduct. We invited the court to the different provisions of the rules. As a result of that, one of the senior advocates, in order to avoid it, has asked to withdraw from the case. But we've addressed the court on that, and the court has now directed that ruling will be delivered on the 17th of July, and that the two senior advocates must be physically present in court. On that day, the court will deliver a ruling one way or the other. So I hope that satisfies you in terms of what transpired today.
Thank you very much.